This is our Tech Math project Rover. He's a Lego robot we had to build, and we had to sort a box full of pieces, which are Lego pieces, and like these are some of the pieces we used. And here's some other ones.
Before we do anything, we have to learn how to make it go forward. Then we have to make it go backwards.
The robot can also do multiple actions at once, not like just forward or just backward. We also had to learn how to get the robot to turn. Here's one of the turns. There's two. This is the point turn. And then we have another turn, which is called the swing turn. Like we also had to measure the turns so we can get a certain degrees, so we could get it to turn, like if we wanted to get it to turn 90 degrees, there's a formula we had to use to solve. Like we put a certain amount of degrees in the wheel, only wheel that's going to turn, so it'll turn with that degrees. Here's the formula.
In this binder is a number of questions and equations that we have to solve in order to make it go forward, turn, forward and backward, and many other stuff. As you can see, a lot of it looks pretty complicated. Once you know what you're doing, it's pretty easy.
The most important part of this project was learning to work as a team. Because if I knew how to do all the mathematical parts of the project and didn't tell Josh, he wouldn't know how to do them.
And if I did all the computer work and didn't tell Jared or show Jared how to do them, he wouldn't know how to do it or how the robot runs or how it programs.
So like if he missed a day and then we had to do like say a certain program that day we had to start one, I wouldn't know how to do it, so then we'd fall behind.
And if he was sick for a day and there was a really hard question that had to do with a lot of mathematical stuff, I would know how to do it. And then he would be there to figure it out for me.
And then if one of us is say building attachments for a robot and not working, it'd frustrate the other partner, and then you just wouldn't get anything done.